I gonna do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bling a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Yeah man, bless up my people. Big up on yourself. Don't know a thing. A long time I saw in a town, no? Alright, hold on. Yeah man, see in a town there. You know what I mean? Look out that town there. Look out that port. See it there? Yeah, see this big old sign there. Welcome to Turks and Caicos. See it? Small local island man. Don't know. Show now look up piece before I get in on my topic. Just look out that town and see what I go on. See what that town set up there. Now the town this. You see it? Now look at town. You get me I say? People there say look taxi. See it? Then call taxi as a jitney. So people are look jitney right over there. So see jitney top there. Yeah. See look at mama there. Oh my mama. Hush. Pedestrian they want paint me name. See it? White, blackout. See it the people? Look over there so. See it? Okay, watch the place you know. Watch how I go on. See it? The sharp man they are going with them look gross to them said we so show now look a clip what I go on. See it? Beautiful Turks and Caicos. See it there. Alright, ready? Yes people, big up on yourself. Don't know we have to show now what I go on sometime. Okay. Well, what me have to talk about now people, I want to know what I go on down the yard there again. Because the other day now, me see the taxi man them a demonstrate and a be something people and say yo a police kill one of them taxi man is a quiet bridge and thing and them man no deserve it and be something people see? The man and them a say yo is a local thing the policeman like ask him for move or something in and move and the police take it different and use him gun for the taxi man right in the Coronation Market there past Spanish Town Road people. See? Then come some boom now yesterday me did the people and news a reach to NEWLINK and NEWLINK boy. After then cut that a police cut that a taxi man there. And I say one more taxi man get cut down. But NEWLINK, it wasn't by a police this time. It's by 4 gunmen. Well, news are reached NEWLINK now people. Said that a day before yesterday that the evening now people. See? That the evening now was there now. This taxi man now just come in you know after work and thing and you know what I mean in the August town people doing daily work and come in maybe eat a nice food and come in people. And it is said that now when him park up in a yard and jump out and carry people as he comes a boom and jump out and slam the door, bloom bloom. A 4-man that rise up because the Uncle Gully they said they're near him yard people. 4-man rise up out of the gully. And the 4-man then come up to him and just start beating upon him. Bap, 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 boop, boop, boop. And then so the 4-man them jump back into the gully and gone. You get me as a people? Them never tell NEWLINK so them take no cash from him. Them never tell NEWLINK so them take the car. Them never tell NEWLINK so them take nothing out of the car. You understand? Only thing them so them beat the shot from him and gone. And you understand? No motive has been established at the police. Them don't know who do it, but they know say 4-man deny goal, but police still conduct them investigation. You know what I mean? So these taxi man now are mourn 2 ways. Them are mourn for the one where police cut down, and now them are mourn for this one where gunman cut down. And NEWLINK of you say, boy, the thing turn up a yard, you know. When I check it out, you know, people. When I say the thing turn up, it turned up, you know. I saw some man, one man sent me one picture of this man with 2 man of them, so then cut down in a St. Elizabeth. You understand? That last night. And next man send me a picture and say, you are a Rasta man. When I see man then cut down like I know look a supermarket there. Then see a St. Elizabeth and I say, boy, NEWLINK, what really are going on a yard you know? Eh? So much. And people are going to say NEWLINK, every day is killing you talk about. Eh? You know alright? You know alright? That's why NEWLINK has tell us to back off, you know? See? Back off. Because people, honestly, things like them are we have to talk about. To open up people's eyes to things. You understand? And for people start getting themselves in a problem with people and make people have to harm them. Because a lot of people do things and cause them problem upon themselves. You get me? I say, number 1, gun there Jamaica whole heap before me born and enough for uno born. Whole heap. See? So that's something we not gonna stop. Plus them are coming every day on a daily basis. We not gonna stop the gun them. Only thing we can try to stop is corruption. And stop people from in a problem with people where people have to take things the other way. Nowadays, to me see it. Because the more police kill, and the more them arise. See? So that right now, that even like it even make no sense again. And people have just try to be pandy. You know what I mean? And pray to the Almighty every day and give Jah thanks for life. Because the things that are weird now. See? Enough time people do things people and they no fear in the game. You know what I mean? Them are work youths, they don't want to pay the youth them. All of them something they can cause problem upon themselves. Two them be them big and then top of this and that and go around the youth. They make the youth them have to get angry or mad and draw for anything they can draw for. Uno need to stop it. Never uno big up heads people out there. Uno a silent killer and a quiet. Uno want to use the youth them. You understand? Underpay them, treat them and deal with them like them a dog shit. Then they turn around and come and say, yo, he's a gunner boy, go do this and go kill up there one another. And then take you and come kill you, no see him one. On a fool. You know, stop grudge and envy and bad mind people and can't use man people when they're concerned, you know. See people business and leave it alone. And then message that we have got try tap you know. See? Because at the end people, it a cause problem. It a cause, you know much man do things and try if he say, yo, me do this and me do that. And me gone a foreign so things can happen to me back. Hey, I hear the new link now. Woo-hoo. Them the things gone a foreign and things can reach them back. It could have take them 10 years or 20 years. The man them a go catch you and deal with it. You know see how the things change now. Our time set you now. It's different. Not like before. You understand? So you better think twice. All me can do is send out my condolences to the taxi man there, you know, because I feel topic of the basic topic what me talk about, but don't know we have to root down into the things sometime and give the people them the fullest of the thing and you only go, how we do things different. My style is not different. But telling you, I'm not a vlogger who just come and talk and left things make you stay like I stay. You understand? My style is different. Me is a vlogger who come and talk and open more people eyes to things that really are go on in a society and make people understand the fullest of what go on and know say, yo, enough people are casting things for themselves, you know. You get me, I say? So, you don't know a thing of people. See, enough respect and enough love to everyone who support me thing, man. Big up on yourself, man. From St. Kitts, you know, me have to big up my place, them, you know. Big up all of St. Kitts and Ibis crew. Cayman Islands. You understand? Antigua, big up, Delhi's, Trinidad, my family, them in Trinidad, Guyana 242, enough love in the Bahamas. You don't know the thing, the whole Turks and Caicos, Jamaica, enough love. See? Over there, so, Wisconsin, Barbuda, see? Bermuda, all of the place, them, man, St. Lucia, eh? Greater Antilles, Lesser Antilles, eh? Windward, Leeward's Island, them, all of the place, man, big up on yourself, man. Because I don't know, so, you have NEWLINK back and NEWLINK have phone back. Zin, uno strong with NEWLINK and NEWLINK strong with uno. Zin, they don't know a thing. Uno not sell out NEWLINK, you know. Never. No matter how you see some people are go on and try go around NEWLINK. My fans them now go around me. So big up on yourself.
What them a go do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.